Hello traders, this is day 16 of my 1 minute pocket option trading challenge. I started this challenge with $100. Now I'm standing at $2,166 after trading for 15 days. Let's see where we can reach today. I'm going to use my 1 minute trading strategies. We'll explain you the whole setup and the strategies in detail so that you guys can apply the same while trading. Let's go. This video is not financial advice. Everything shown here reflects my personal trading journey and is shared for educational purpose only. Please remember, you are fully responsible for your own money and trading decisions. Trading carries significant risk and results may vary depending on your experience, strategy, and risk management. These videos are simply me documenting what I do in the markets. Always do your own research and trade responsibly. Currently, I'm watching this chart and I have a clear trade opportunity. First of all, I will take the trade and then I will explain you the setup. Price is hitting the major resistance level. I'm waiting for a reversal confirmation candle on the 5-second chart. This is 5-second chart. I need bearish reversal pattern to place a trade in the downward direction, and that is the clear confirmation. If you focus, these three candles formed a reversal pattern. Let me explain you the setup now. Setup is simple. Price is standing at a major resistance, major selling zone. You can see here. As soon as price goes inside the zone, it formed a reversal pattern on the 5-second chart, and that's why I placed this trade. Let's wait for the result now. We won the trade easily. Let me explain you the setup one more time. So I open the 1 minute chart. This is 1 minute chart. On 1 minute chart, this is a clearly visible strong resistance zone. It's a major resistance, which means sellers are waiting, buyers are waiting for the price to reach this zone. As soon as price reaches this zone, I open the 5-second chart for the confirmation. You can see this is a reversal pattern formation. That is a bearish reversal pattern that shows that price will now reverse. That's why I placed the trade here. The second reason why I was expecting a reversal here is because price was moving strongly up, so retracement is required, and that's why I was very confident that price will reverse. These zones are high probability zone. There is no guarantee that price will ultimately going to reverse, but chances of reversal are always high when you use major resistance level. This is a clearly visible level. As soon as price goes inside, on 5-second chart, it formed a reversal pattern, and that's why I took that trade. Now let's find other trading setup. Currently, I'm watching British Pound Yen and I have a trade opportunity. I will first take the trade and then I will explain you the setup. Yes, that's a confirmation. I have placed a trade in the upside direction. Let me explain you the trade. I will take another trade at this level. Yes. So now I have better entry. Let me explain you both of these trade. This one is quite high, so entry is a little bit higher. That's why I placed another trade. Let me explain you the setup, because the setup and the logic is important here. You see that when price here, this candle and this candle, it goes up, it created a gap. Price does not move straight in a line. It run and then it retrace, it run and then it retrace. In this case, there was only run. So retracement was required and the price retraces to the zone where there is a liquidity. According to me, this particular candle created the run, but it left liquidity and the price reverses to grab the liquidity. Price goes down, and this is where I think that most of the stop losses are available. Those who bought here, after this breakout, those retail traders, those who bought here, their stop losses lie in this zone. Those who bought here, their stop losses lies in this zone. And same thing with these candles also. Price reverses to hit all the stop losses of these retail buyers Once price goes down, hit the stop loss and then it reverses because the big player wants to fill their unfilled order. They replace it with the stop losses of retail traders. Here, the retail buyers, they have stop losses here. Price reverses, hit all these stop losses, fill all their orders, and it reverses after that. This is the main logic behind, and that's why I took the trade. Now, I was expecting reversal here, and I use 5-second chart for confirmation. The confirmation, if you focus, as soon as price goes inside, it formed this hammer candle. This was a clear indication that there is a liquidity sweep that has happened and the price will reverse, and that's why I placed the trade. The second entry was here, which was quite high. That's why I took another trade. Otherwise, I prefer taking one trade on one setup. Currently, we have taken 3 trades and I think we have achieved the target. I will take one more trade because we can do that. So let's take one more trade and then we will end the session. Currently, I'm watching USD CAD chart and I have a clear trade opportunity here. First of all, I will draw the key levels that I'm going to use for a reversal. You can see it's a clearly visible buying zone which previously shows a sign of reversal. You can see that price is falling strongly, so let's use this buying zone. Retracement is required in this case. I will wait for the price to go down, hit this zone, and then form reversal pattern. Retracement is required. This is a strong buying zone, so chances of reversal are high. It's a probability game, so according to me, reversal probability is higher than the breakout, and that's why I will prefer taking trade in the upside direction. I'm switching to the 5-second chart because I'm going to use a 5-second confirmation to place a trade. Price goes inside. Now I need solid reversal pattern. It needs to be a bullish reversal pattern which is strong in nature. I can see the rejection. It's a hammer candle. I'm waiting for another bullish confirmation. It's not solid confirmation. Okay. I was about to place the trade, but suddenly this candle got rejected back. Okay, I'm still not satisfied. I will wait for a breakout. Yes, we got breakout by this candle. This is now the confirmation. Let me explain you the trade setup. Simple setup. It's a buying zone, which means a reversal. This is steep move, which means reversal. Probability of reversal are high. When price goes inside this buying zone, what we need? We need buying candle that suggests that price now will start going in the upside direction. Price goes inside, first hammer, rejection, buying candle, rejection, again buyers, 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 and suddenly they broke this recently rejected level, which was here. It closes above, which is a confirmation that price will go up. That's why I placed this trade. Right now we are running in loss. Okay, now it's in profit again. So this is a buying zone and we have placed our trade after getting proper confirmation. Let's wait for the result now. And we won the trade. It is by a small margin, but because our entry was good and with a right approach, we managed to make a profit in this setup. Let me explain you this trade one more time. Fast movement means reversal is required. To place a reversal trade, you need solid zone. This is a strong buy zone, clearly visible through naked eye. Price goes inside. On 5-second chart, it gave a clear reversal pattern. So I placed the trade and the price started reversing. Sometimes you will find that even after getting the confirmation, price goes up, then retraces back, and after that it goes up. This is very common, and sometimes price takes more time to reverse because sometimes price reverses to grab the liquidity and then it reverses. So even if you lose after doing everything that is according to the strategy, don't lose hope because sometimes you will lose. It's part of the game. No strategy will give you 100% results. Even if you are managing to make 70% profitable trade, you will be successful. So summary for today, I have taken 4 trades and I have worked on the 3 setup only. These 2 trades were based upon 1 setup only and all are in profit. I hope you have learned something new from this trading session. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.